Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can get these over at japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. It's a box full of different Japanese ramen and some other neat things. Let's crack it open and see what's in this month's box. Cool. So when you open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to be greeted by is this informative pamphlet. Has info about everything in the box. So my suggestion is not to lose this because it gives you information on everything that's in the box, and a lot of the stuff on the packaging is in Japanese, so this will help you out. You also get a recipe card. And it looks like this month you also get a little sheet of stickers. So I'm going to go through everything in this box and tell you a little bit about it. First off, we've got something here called taco meshi, and while it is not ramen, it is rice with octopus in it. I tried the one last month and it was really good. It's like a really sticky rice and it had a bunch of vegetables in it, but this one has octopus, so this will be fun. Cool. And another not ramen, this is a miso and natto soup. So natto is fermented glutinous soybeans. It's like sticky and weird. I've seen it a lot, and it kind of looks kind of gummy. I don't know. I've never had it, so this should be interesting. Oddly enough, we have oatmeal. This is oatmeal kishi umai. So this has pickled plum in it. Pickled plum oatmeal. I eat a lot of oatmeal. I really like it for breakfast, and I'm really curious about this, so I'll give it a try. So here's one from Itomen. They're calling it Saucy Yaki Soba. And I've had their sauce yaki soba. Basically is that yaki soba, that the standard one that kind of has that flavor of Worcestershire sauce. It's kind of like the, but I got one the last month and it was different looking. I don't know if they've changed packaging or what, but this should be pretty good. And here's one from Kishimen. This is their boiled miso Nicomi Udon, and I've never heard of this before. I'm really curious. I've never had this, so cool. And I'd swear they include this almost every month. This is Father Tanuki's Tonkatsu-Style Ramen. They have a spicy one and a non-spicy one, and they're both absolutely excellent. If you like tonkatsu, this is a really great instant tonkatsu. And from Takamori, we've got Japanese-style butter and soy sauce spaghetti. I don't think I've had this one. I think I've had another spaghetti variety from Takamori, but these have been surprisingly good. I'm looking forward to this. Then by Kenko Foods, this is a natural ramen. This is a Shio variety, and it's got this fella on the picture here. Miso Kawamura, he's a radio host and he talks about natural foods and stuff. These are generally pretty good. And then here we've kind of got a bonus item. It's interesting. This is freeze-dried tofu. And you basically just drop it in boiling water and it'll come back to life. I'm guessing if you just drop this while you're cooking up some ramen and you want some tofu in there, this will work. So in the July Umai crate, you get Shio, spaghetti, tonkatsu, rice, miso, oatmeal, yakisoba, udon, tofu, stickers, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well, big thank you to the folks over at Japan Crate for sending this Umai crate over. Yeah, if you think this is cool and want one, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.